Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to create sales receipts on your Quickbooks account. Now we've opened up this page, we've signed in with our credentials, and now we want to create a sales receipt. So how do we do that? From here you can simply click on the name of your company, the easiest way. Then you see sales, click on sales. You can see customize, look and feel. It should take you there, and then you click on new style and you click on sales receipts. That's the way to get there. Now you can now do what you want to do. The second way you can do this is from here, from the home page, and take us back to the dashboard. Then you can click on search here, click on search, and then you write sales receipts. Create sales receipts, click on create sales receipt. And then you can create your sales receipt. You can choose a customer, you can add a customer. So let's say I want to, this is my customer, let's say this customer, you can add a customer to your company. If you want to add a customer, you can check out our video on how to add a customer. Then, so let's say I want to use the sample customer. So the email for the sample customer, then this billing address for the customer, you put it in here, put in the sales receipt date, the receipt number, the tags. So you can put in the tags. Let's say it's for, you can see tags, what's important about the transaction. Let's say mine was, is it money made, is it for wall repair, sink repair, since it's a books, let's say book sale, each book, let's say was a book about I can just put in the real listing. So let's say the book was titled Little Women. So it's Little Women book sale. So I've done that, and then once you've done that, then you put the payment method. Let's say the person's payment method was cash. Then the reference number, let's say something deposited to the cash and cash equivalents. Now if I chosen check, for example, say cash and cash equivalents. Let's say if I chosen credit card, still the same thing. Okay. So you choose the one you want to deposit it to. Let's say allowance for bad debts, check everything, and then you choose the one you want to cancel, add new one here. After that, the service date, you put in the dates. Let's say it was on the 11th of 11, let's say 1947. Yeah, no, patient. So you select the product or service. Use a service. It's a product actually. It's not a product. Person bought a book. So add new. It's a book. It's a product. Now products are non-inventory, means products you buy or sell but don't need to or can't track the quantities. But I can track this quantity. So service, like buy customers, for example, landscape or aspiration. Yeah, thanks for the information. This is a product. So the product, now why it's not showing that I did not add new product. So normally if I add new products, I've written the name of the product. Now what is the name of the product? That's a book. Remember, it's a women. Now the book. So category, non-fiction, whatever. I think this should have been done before now. So the picture will be here, then you can change the type and everything and click on save. So description, sales price, income account, purchase. So I purchased this from a supplier, description of the purchase form, cost, expense account, preferred supplier. Then let's just save on. Okay, I don't want to buy the product. Let's take that off. So save now. Now here's the name of the product. You can see it. So when I click this now, I can now use this women. The description should appear from that. Let's say it's a self-help book. Self-help. So how many one? How much it costs? Let's say it costs $10 or 10 naira, whatever. The amount of amount here. The second one, say it was the same day the person bought it. But let's say 1948, the person comes every on the same day, same month. Yeah, I know, weird. Then let's choose services instead. So what service person wants? The person wanted me to explain the book to the person. So let's say guidance, whatever. So you put in the interesting information. So how many times this person come? Let's say 3 times. How much they're charging for each? Let's say $10. So here the total will appear. You can see. And once you can add more lines, you can clear all the lines. You can write what will be displayed. Method will be displayed on the sales receipts. Paid in full, for example. So here displayed on the statements. I might decide to use the same message. You know what you want to be displayed on it. I'm just using this as an example, not regular examples either. So you can see the total amount received, balance due. So attachment. You can attach maybe a picture of the book or something. It will not be more than 20 megabytes. Then on the show, you click on. Okay, you have 2 choices. You can either save your cash sales receipts and leave this page, or save it and send it. Or you can click on this arrow to save it and just close the page, or save it and create another sales receipt. Maybe you have more than one customer you want to prepare the sales receipt for. It depends on you. I just want to save it. Sales receipt 1003 save. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.